the beginning, a cornerstone was built for a massive journey we went through, and we are recognizing it today. Everything was changing very fast, but we were adapting, and we kept learning, developing, and still, in the heart of our journey, we embarked on a quest to design a unique and unforgettable tale. It all started with the desire to craft a culture, to construct it into the roots of our venture, and to infuse it with a style defined by opulence and exclusivity. With each blueprint, we etched our commitment to excellence. Every beam and brick we laid told a story of dedication, and every detail whispered the promise of a splendid and unparalleled adventure experience. Innovation. Signature. Welcome to Andalusia Engineering Services.